Welcome to our Kolay Rehber channel. Today, we will make an economical confectionery that you can consume with your coffee or tea. Chocolate orange sticks. Let's start by counting our ingredients. Orange peels, 1 glass of sugar and chocolate. First we cut the orange peels vertically. What we need to pay attention to here is to be able to peel the peels of the oranges properly. We cut it so that it obtains julienne rods. After our cutting process is finished, we take the orange sticks to a suitable saucepan. Then we add enough water and very little salt to rise above the shells. In order for the bitterness in the shells to go away, we change the water 2 times with 15 minutes intervals and boil it. Yes, friends, we boiled our orange sticks, and again, we take the white places on the inside of the shell with the help of a knife so that there is no bitter taste. Now we boil for the last time for 15 minutes. Let's make our chocolate sauce while the orange peels boil. I made the chocolate sauce in a bain-marie. If you want, you can also make it from ready-made chocolate sauce. We filter the orange sticks that we boiled 2 times. Then we take it back to the pot and add a glass of sugar and some water to it and bring it to a boil. Our chocolate sauce is also ready. Yes, friends, it's been 15 minutes. We'll take it from the stove. Now we line the sticks on the tray. Then we put it in the fridge to cool. Our orange sticks have cooled enough, now we dip them one by one in chocolate sauce. We dipped all our sticks in chocolate. Now we leave it in the refrigerator for 1-2 hours. And a different flavor that you can consume with coffee, chocolate orange sticks are ready. We're at the end of our chocolate orange sticks video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel and recommend it to your friends. See you in the next video. Bye.